Have you ever felt that irresistible pull to escape the ordinary and step into a world brimming with new experiences? The good news is, embarking on incredible journeys doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. Join me as we unveil 10 captivating destinations for the budget-conscious traveler in 2024. From ancient cities steeped in history to idyllic beaches lapped by turquoise waters, we'll traverse the globe in search of affordable adventure. So, tighten your backpack straps, grab your sense of wonder, and let's embark on this virtual voyage together. Our first stop takes us to the vibrant tapestry of Vietnam, a land where ancient traditions intertwine seamlessly with modern life. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beauty of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam offers an immersive cultural experience without stretching your budget. Journey with me now to the sun-kissed shores of Portugal, where history whispers from every cobblestone street and the wild Atlantic crashes against dramatic coastlines. Portugal offers a taste of Western Europe without the hefty price tag. Our next destination takes us deep into the heart of Central America, to Guatemala, a land of vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and ancient mysteries. From the colorful markets of Chichicastenango to the shores of Lake Atitlan, Guatemala offers a journey of discovery that's both affordable and deeply rewarding. Prepare to be captivated by Romania, a land of untamed beauty and rich history often overlooked by travelers. Explore medieval castles seemingly plucked from the pages of fairy tales, wander through charming villages, and delve into the legend of Dracula in Transylvania. Romania offers a unique and affordable European experience. Let's venture now to Laos, a landlocked country in Southeast Asia where the pace of life slows to the gentle rhythm of the Mekong River. Explore the otherworldly Kwangsi Falls, cascading down tiers of turquoise pools, or lose yourself in the beauty of the Mekong Islands. Laos offers an authentic Southeast Asian experience that's easy on the wallet and enriching for the soul. Our next stop takes us to Nicaragua, a land of captivating contrast where volcanic landscapes meet pristine beaches and colonial cities exude a timeless charm. Explore the colorful colonial city of Granada, wander through the artisan workshops of Masaya, or simply relax on the pristine beaches of the Corn Islands. Nicaragua offers an affordable Central American adventure for those seeking both thrills and tranquility. Prepare to be enchanted by Albania, a hidden gem nestled along the Balkan Peninsula. Discover the charming capital city of Tirana with its vibrant street art scene. Explore the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Butrint and savor the delicious and affordable cuisine. Albania offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that's still largely undiscovered by mass tourism. Journey with me now to North Macedonia, a landlocked country in the heart of the Balkans where ancient history intersects with stunning natural beauty. Hike through the Mavrovo National Park, home to rugged peaks, glacial lakes, and diverse wildlife, or delve into the country's Ottoman past in the capital city of Skopje. North Macedonia offers a fascinating and affordable destination for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Our next adventure takes us to Bolivia, a landlocked country in South America renowned for its dramatic landscapes, vibrant indigenous cultures, and incredible affordability. Explore the bustling city of La Paz, perched high in the Andes Mountains, or venture into the Amazon rainforest for an unforgettable wildlife encounter. Bolivia offers a truly unique South American experience that won't break the bank. Our final destination takes us to the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka, an island nation off the southern tip of India. From the ancient city of Polonnaruwa to the misty hills of Ella, Sri Lanka offers a diverse range of experiences for every type of traveler. And with its affordable prices and welcoming locales, it's no wonder Sri Lanka is becoming an increasingly popular destination. So there you have it, 10 captivating destinations that prove you don't need a fortune to experience the wonders of our planet. The most important thing is to take that first step and start planning your next adventure. The world is waiting to be explored, and with a little research and planning, you can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank.